Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today we've installed an Halo Mini on a 2019 NX Lexus hybrid. So the way it works, if someone tried to steal the vehicle with the key, they'll hop in, try and start it. As you see, it's not going to come on, it's not going to start and go to ready. So what the customer has to do to start this vehicle is either present their phone or go through a push sequence. With the code, they'll turn the ignition on, go through a sequence that they set. For now, we've left it at 1, 2, 3. We hear a confirmation of our code, and now we can start it, and as you'll see, vehicle goes to ready. If the customer doesn't want to use a push sequence, because it can sometimes be cumbersome, what they'll do, turn their Bluetooth on their connected phone, get in and just start the vehicle as normal. As you can see, it goes to ready, we get our disarm tone and they can drive it. If the customer wants to change the code, how they'll do that is first they have to disarm the system and prove that it's them. So we'll turn the ignition on. We've got the phone here, so it disarms automatically if you've heard. Now we'll press one of the buttons 5 times, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll turn the ignition off and back on, we'll get 5 bleeps and it'll be ready to learn. So we'll just change it to up, down, side. You can do 6 presses in any order, whatever you want to set. We'll get a confirmation and then we'll just repeat that again, so up, down, set. We'll get the same confirmation. If you get anything else, it means the 2 codes are different and you've got to start again. Got our double bleep, we'll turn the vehicle off, that's the code learned. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit and this is the Halo Mini. Thanks for watching.